Welcome to MSD Learning World. Hello everyone. So in this video, let us see how the normal multiplication can be performed by using divide and conquer. We know how the multiplication is performed. For example, when we take the number 45 into 32, you have two values in the first number and you have two values in the second number. So when we perform multiplication of 45 into 32, we will take the first value 5 and 5 is multiplied with 2 and again 5 is multiplied with 3. Similarly, the next value 4 is multiplied with 2 and 4 is multiplied with 3. So we are performing n number of times to perform multiplication with the first value with the n number of times to perform the multiplication with the second value, and again we add up the results of two the values. This is how we perform the normal multiplication of two numbers. Now let us see how to improve the normal multiplication number by increasing the performance in terms of time complexity by using Karatsuba algorithm. So this algorithm is a fast multiplication algorithm where by using some formulas it is going to perform the multiplication of two numbers and the time complexity is also going to be improved. In this algorithm, when you have two n-bit numbers to be multiplied, for example, when we take the values 45 into 32, you need to perform 4 multiplication with the normal multiplication method. Whereas this Karatsuba algorithm will be reducing that 4 multiplication subproblems into 3 subproblems. So 4 times instead of performing 4 multiplication, here it is going to perform only 3 multiplication with 3 subproblems. So here this two n-bit numbers it's going to be performed divide and conquer, and the number is divided until we are getting a single value for the higher value of x. For example, when you take two numbers x and y, x is n-bit numbers and y is n-bit numbers, and here the sub problems are going to be, we are going to take a equal to higher value of x into higher value of y. Similarly, d equal to lower value of x into lower value of y, and e equal to higher value of x plus lower value of x into higher value of y plus lower value of y minus a into d. So the three subproblems is divided in such a way that you are going to find only the value a, d and e, and some shifting operation is going to be performed based on the base values of 10 for x and y. So x into y will be equal to a into b power n plus e b power n by 2 plus d. So here let us see an example to understand how this algorithm is performing multiplication. Let us see an example here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4, 3, 2, 1. Here x is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1234 and y is 4321. So here x into y we need to perform. By using Karatsuba algorithm, we are going to perform this multiplication by dividing this into 3 subproblems. So here we are going to find a1, d1 and e1, where a1 equal to higher value of x into higher value of y. So here the higher value of x is 12 and here the higher value of y is 43. Similarly, d1 is lower value of x 34 into lower value of y is 21. And e1 equal to higher value of x plus lower value of x into higher value of y plus lower value of y minus a1 d1. Again you are dividing the x and y into higher value into the lower value. Again 12 into 43. This 12 into 43 is again performed with the Karatsuba algorithm, where in this 12 higher value of x is 1 and lower value of x is 2, and in y is 43 where higher value of y is 4 and lower value of y is 3. Similarly, again divide and conquer is performed for this 12 into 43, and you are going to solve this a1 multiplication as you are going to again find a2, d2 and e2, where a2 is higher value of x into higher value of y is 1 into 4 is 4. And for d2, 2 into 3 is 6 and e2 higher value of x plus lower value of x. So 1 plus 2 into higher value of y plus lower value of y. So 4 plus 3 minus a2 is 4 minus d2 is 6. So you will be getting 11. So a1 is done with the divide and conquer again. Similarly, now let us see how to find d1. So here when we multiply x and y, you will have a r power n plus e r power n by 2 plus d. So here a1 is 12 into 43. So here for this a1 you perform that a2 into 10 power square plus here d2 11 into 10 power 1 plus 6 minus 4. So you will get the result as, which is the value you will be getting as 516, that is for 12 into 43. Similarly, let us find for d1 and e1. So for solving d1 equal to 34 into 21. Again we divide this and perform divide and conquer, where we find a2, d2 and e2. a2 is higher value of x into higher value of y. So 3 into 2. 2 is the higher value of y and 3 is the higher value of x. Similarly, when we take d2, that is lower value of x into lower value of y, 4 into 1 is 4. Similarly, e2 is higher value of x plus lower value of x, 3 plus 4 into higher value of y plus lower value of y, 2 plus 1 into 3 minus a2, 6 minus 4, you will get 11. So we have solved d1. Similarly, we need to solve e1. So to find this 34 into 21, we need to find x into y. X into y will be equal to 34 into 21 will be equal to 6. a2 into r power n, that is r power n is 10 power square, where 11 into n r power n by 2, n by 2 is 2 by 2, it is 1. So into 10 plus 4 will be equal to 714. Let us solve e1 now. e1 is 46 into 64 minus a1 minus d1. We already found a1 and d1, where a1 is 516 and d1 is 714. Let us see. So now we need to find 46 into 64. This 46 into 64 is again performed with the divide and conquer to find a2, d2 and e2, where your x and y will be equal to 52. So this e1 is again solved. Now x into y has to be found. So here finally you are finding x and y with the found values of a1, d1 and e1, and you are finding x into y as a1 is 516 to the power of r into n. So here the power of 10 base is 4, so 10 power 4 plus d1 is you will be getting 1714 into 10 square plus 714. You will be getting the value as 5332114. So here by performing this Karatsuba algorithm, it is very clear that you are performing the multiplication only for 3 subproblems, which is done for n by 2 number of times. If you have n bit numbers for x and y, you are performing for only for n by 2 bit numbers, and this you are performing for n number of times. So here clearly the time complexity is 3 subproblems you are performing multiplication for half of the n number of times. So 3 into t power n by 2, and you are performing addition for n number of times. So when you simplify this, you will be getting order of n log 3 to the base 2, which is nothing but order of n to the power 1.5. The algorithm for the Karatsuba multiplication algorithm is that the input will be a and b, which are the two numbers for which we need to multiply. When this a and b have only a single digit, then you are returning the value a into b. If not, if this a and b is having two n bit numbers, then you will be having again, you will be taking the digits with the maximum of higher value of x and higher value of y. You try to divide it until you are getting two n bit values, where the higher value of x and higher value of y is having a single digit number. So you are recursively calling the Karatsuba algorithm until you are getting the higher value of x and y to have a single value, and you are finding the multiplication for n by 2 number of times. At last you are finding the multiplication value. So the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n to the power of 1.5. So here we have seen how the multiplication can be performed with the improved time complexity by dividing into 3 subproblems. So performing only 3 multiplication and with the fewer additions, and how the time complexity of the Karatsuba algorithm is improvised by order of n to the power 1.5. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.